Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys the inserts that we will be getting this Sunday. I think it's going to be kind of a slow week for inserts. I'm relying more on digital coupons now these days. But this is Sunday-coupons.net. Looks like we're only getting one insert, a smart source. So we're getting I can't even pronounce it all of a sudden. Airwick, $2 off, $2 off. Bic, $3 off one. I know I'll never get Bic, so yeah, that's how. They got Blink Tears, $3 off of one, 3 off of one. Flintstone Vitamins, 4 off of one. Goodnight's $1.50 off of one. Hidden Valley Secret Sauce or Original, $1 off of one. Getting some Nivea body products, 1 off of 1 or 3 off of 2. 1 a day multivitamins, 3 off of 1 or 4 off of 1. Pull-ups, $2 off of 1. Rachel Ray, Rachel Ray, Rachel Ray, Rachel Ray, and then Texas Pete, 55 cents off of 2. So it is going to be a slow week on inserts. I probably will not get any inserts, but I just wanted to share with you guys on that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.